I want to show you a very simple way for sending a PDF document here inside of Facebook Messenger. Even though you could send text, pictures, and videos directly from the Messenger app, to send a PDF, you actually have to use a different app that works with Messenger that you probably already have on your phone. All my PDFs on my phone are stored in Google Docs or Google Drive. So if you have Google Docs or Google Drive, and you have your PDF on there, you could go ahead and send it directly from there. So download one of those apps and add your PDF to it. So here's a PDF document I have already on my Google Docs here. I'm gonna press the three dots right next to it. And there's an option here, if you go down, to send a copy. So if I send a copy, it's going to send it as a PDF here. If I select this, I'm gonna press OK. And on this dropdown, as long as you have Facebook Messenger installed on your phone, you will get this option. So I'm gonna press it here, select someone or multiple people you want to send this to, and press send right here. And this is that PDF document sent via Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you next time.